Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something really special for you that a few of you have asked for. You've seen it in the background of a lot of my videos, but it's my Veto Pro Pac TP-XXL. It's one of the most rugged and feature-packed tool bags on the market, I think. Let's see if this is the right tool bag for maybe you. But we'll go through all of the features that it has, and you can make that decision for yourself. So let's talk about the build quality first here. Overall, this is a hefty bag. It's clear that Veto, put all of their engineering in this one and didn't cut any corners on it. The XXL, I think, is built like a tank. It has a high-quality nylon fabric body that's military grade stuff, I would think. You can already tell that the bag is, designed to take a beating. All of the stitching is reinforced, and the base of the bag is a 3mm thick polypropylene waterproof material, which means you can set this bag down on wet surfaces without worrying about any type of moisture, seeping into it. So it's really fantastic. So let's talk a little bit about the exterior. First thing you've got here is you've got a really nice wide padded shoulder strap that you can just throw it on your shoulder and take it in. But and the reason why that is because once this thing is fully packed out, it can get pretty heavy, and that's maybe one of the cons. But it's also got a handle up here that you can pick it up by right here. So both of those, having those options are really nice. The strap here is adjustable. So you can customize it to however you like. Another thing that I really like about it is it has a few of these metal tape rings on it. So you've got this one and you've got one here on the side. This is where I put my tape. So you can just latch on a tape there, and it's nice and easy and convenient. But the nice thing about it is it's reinforced with this metal, so it won't wear or fray any of the nylon material over time. So let's jump into the inside here. So in the inside of the top, or the flap, it is a zippered flap here that velcros on the bottom. But on the inside here, you do have an area that is zipper closure, but it has clear mesh, so you can see what's in there, which is really nice. I like to keep a couple of magnets inside of there so I can attach things to that really easily. But you can see you've got 53 pockets in this bag in total. So if you're like me and you're always hunting for that one tool that's buried at the bottom of the bag, this is a game changer because there's a pocket essentially for everything, as you can see down in there. So you've got pockets all through here. There's pockets on the side for bits and whatnot. And there's even, pockets down in through here. Some Velcro latch like these smaller ones, but most of them are just free open pockets that you can load out to your liking. The pockets come in various sizes, perfect for hand tools, testers, meters, even larger items like drills. I keep my Milwaukee Impact in here. So, and it works out, fantastic, no problems at all, fits, perfectly. So, the vertical design of all of these pockets too, the thing I really like about it is, it keeps everything where at a glance you can see exactly what's in this bag, and there's not going to be anything hidden at all. There's also a zipper pocket that's on the outside of the bag on each side. So you've got one here on this side, perfect size for your meter and your sensors and clips. If you've got a laser level or a measuring device, another great pocket for that. But it has an identical pocket set up on the other side that, you can put your phone into it or anything that you like. Also comes with this nice strap where you can strap some tape or other small items onto it, so you're not gonna lose them, and it's gonna be super handy where you can get to it. Another really awesome feature is if you're in a situation, although that this is waterproof and the bottom is real nice on it, but you don't want to set it down in anything, it has a hanger that hides right there in the top, so you can hang that onto a strap or a 2x4 or whatever you have available to you at the site where you're working. And it just keeps it up off the ground where you're not having to bend down to get into it all the time. Just makes it readily available to grab what you need. Big selling of this particular bag is just how durable it is. And I think that if any of you have any exposure to Veto, you know that that's the case with everything that they have. I had a tech bag before, a little bit smaller one, but I wanted something a little bit bigger so that I could just keep everything inside of this bag. And then if I wanted to get something that I can keep on, say, my belt, I think it's called the MPC or the MPX, I can just take from here, load it up in there, and go in and work on whatever I need to. So let's sum it up with some pros and cons of this particular bag itself. Pros, it is built so durable, built to last, has an amazing warranty. You want to check out Veto's website for their warranty. Excellent organization with the 53 pockets, really comfortable with the shoulder strap, and that base being plastic or polypropylene and being waterproof. I don't think that you can beat it. On the con side, as I mentioned, it's a bigger bag, so you get a lot of your tools in there. It's going to get really heavy pretty quickly. So that's something that you have to weigh. And like most Veto bags, the price point on them are a little bit higher, but in my opinion, you really get what you pay for out of the Veto bags. So overall, if you're a professional who needs a reliable, well-organized bag that can handle tough environments, the Veto Pro Pac XXL or XXL, I think is a fantastic investment and something you should check out. So thanks for checking out this review of the Veto Pro Pac XXL. If you found this video helpful, I would love it if you gave us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We're always reviewing different types of products, tool products out here, as well as doing DIY projects. So I appreciate your support. And until next time, guys, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.